To set up Rotary's R540 wheel balancer, you will need these tools. To unbox and set up the balancer, first, loosen the staples on the box. Then lift and remove the box from the pallet. Next, remove the plastic wrapped around the balancer. Lift the boxes and remaining pieces off of the pallet. Remove the bolts securing the balancer to the pallet. When moving the balancer, make sure not to lift from the hub assembly. Slide the balancer off the pallet. Next, remove the bolts holding the inverted wheel lift ramp. Rotate the ramp 180 degrees clockwise with the caution tape facing up and reapply the bolts. Remove the existing air fitting and thread in a US-type quick adapter. Then attach a pressurized air hose. Unpack the boxes, then you're ready to plug in and start the machine. Changing the balancer from grams to ounces. First, press the DIM button and the plus sign magnify glass button at the same time. The moving lines will stop and remain static at the bottom of the display. Press the user button 4 times. Then UC will appear on the display. Press the up arrow and change UC to UP. Click RC to confirm. Then a 1 and 3 zeros appear. Press RC again so the right display with the 3 zeros are flashing. Press the up arrow to switch it to 001. Press RC to confirm. You've now changed the balancer from grams to ounces. Click the stop button to exit so UC will reappear on the display. Performing a bare shaft calibration. While on the UC display, press the RC button and the C1 will appear on the display. Press the up arrow to change the display to C2 and press the RC button. 0.00 will appear on both of the left and right portions of the display. Make sure the balancer shaft is bare. Press the start button. Let the shaft spin until finished. Once FOI-yes is on the display, press the RC button to confirm, then exit out of the menus by clicking the stop button. You've now properly performed a bare shaft calibration.